Welcome to Rujira. In this video, we'll show you how to put your USDC to work in the Rujira Money Market. USDC lending on Rujira can offer a variable APR up to 10%, and sometimes even higher, depending on supply and demand between lenders and borrowers. To get started, navigate to Earn and select Lending. Here we can see all the available lending vaults, including USDC, USDT, Bitcoin, Litecoin, ATOM, and many other assets. We can see that the USDC lending vault currently offers around 10% APR to lenders. We can also see that ATOM lenders are currently earning approximately 8% APR. You may be wondering where this yield comes from. The yield comes from borrowers who pay interest to borrow USDC. The interest rate changes automatically based on how much of the available USDC is being borrowed. As borrowing demand increases, the yield for lenders increases as well. All loans on Rujira are over-collateralized, meaning borrowers provide more collateral than the value they borrow. If a position becomes unsafe, liquidators can step in to buy the collateral being sold. The proceeds are then used to repay the borrower his or her debt, helping keep the money market balanced and healthy. There are two ways to add USDC to the lending vault. The first option is to deposit directly from the money market overview. Click Deposit, enter the amount you would like to lend in the window that opens, and submit the transaction. For this tutorial, however, we return to the overview and click Details to open the USDC lending vault page. We will make our deposit from here. Each lending vault page provides more information about the opportunity and how it works, including the interest rate curve. To start lending, enter the amount of USDC you would like to lend from your available balance on Rujira. Accept the terms of use. Press Lend USDC and approve the transaction in your wallet. Once the transaction is complete, your deposit will appear under My Balance and begin earning yield. You can withdraw your USDC at any time, provided the lending vault is under 100% utilization. Keep in mind that the displayed APR is variable. It can increase or decrease depending on borrowing activity and is not guaranteed. And that's how you can put your USDC to work through lending on Rujira Money Market. Welcome to Rujira. Fair by design. Owned by you.